Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to be doing this video. It has been a long, hard road for me, and I'm super happy that I've hit this milestone in my YouTube career. So when I first started YouTube, I really thought that I would be making videos and watching them all on my lonesome. Like, nobody ever was going to subscribe to me. Nobody ever was going to watch my videos and want to watch my videos. And I have to say that it was a long road, and the people that started with me hit this milestone way before I did. I'm just so excited to have hit 100 subscribers. I have been gathering things for this moment for the last several months, and we are finally doing my 100 subscriber giveaway because it was the first milestone that I wanted to hit that I knew I was going to do a giveaway on. So thank you guys so much for being a part of this channel and for subscribing and for watching my videos. I do appreciate every single one of you, and this is just a little token of my appreciation. So a lot of these things I did purchase, but there are some things that I received in either Ebates or BoxyCharm. I think most of the things that I did not purchase were from Ebates as like secondary things or things that I just know I'm not going to use. There was a couple of things in this that I received as like a free item from like Sephora visits or something like that. So as far as the rules go, I've got a Gleam app listed down in the description box. So you'll just want to click that and go to the entries. But as far as that goes, you do have to be a subscriber to my channel. This is a giveaway for my subscribers, so you must be subscribed, and if you are not and go to the Gleam app, it will invalidate your entry. You also must like and comment on this video, letting me know what you're most excited to get and an alternate form of communication with you, so that if by chance I email you through the Gleam app, because the Gleam app does ask for your email, if I email you and don't receive a response, I have another form of contact. I will give the winner 3 days to respond, and if they do not respond, I will choose another winner. So I would love to have an alternate form of contact for you so I can try to get a hold of you on either one of those to make sure that you get your prize. And the last part of this is it is for the United States only. Unfortunately, I'm not doing an international giveaway this time. I promise I will do international giveaways in the future, but for my international friends, I am super sorry. It is for United States residents only that are 18 years of age or older, or are younger with parental permission, because I'm gonna have to get your address from you to send this stuff to you, and you need to have a parent's permission to have a stranger, me, send stuff to you. So let's jump into the items. So the first item is this Pure Passion Vanilla Almond Bath Fizzer. It is super cool. It's like this, it smells really good. And it is this like cream colored with all this like pretty gold sparkle in it, which I thought was really fun. I am a huge fan of bath bombs, so my daughter just bought me one that is called the Unicorn Bath Bomb, and it has a ring inside of it. I'll have to show you that soon. The next thing is actually a duplicate of something I received in my BoxyCharm, and it is the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit. It does have 3 different blushes inside of it, and I will show you mine. It does have 3 different blushes inside of it. This one is super pretty. This one's really shimmery. This one's a really pretty matte, like peachy color, very natural, very neutral, except for this pink. And this one is mine, but you are getting your own perfectly sealed, still Real Her blush kit. The next thing I have is this Color Rush by My Beauty Spot Makeup Brush Kit, and it has 4 dual-sided brushes in it. So you're going to get an eyeshadow and concealer brush, which is this one here. You're going to get a crease and liner brush. You're going to get a brow and define brush and a contour and highlight brush. I don't have these brushes myself, so I can't speak to them, but they were super pretty, so I thought that I'd include them. I love the different colors of the brushes, and they are dual-ended, so you're getting 8 brushes in 4. The next thing I have for you is this Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick. So this is my favorite shade of lipstick. It is in Lolita, and this one is mine, and this is its color. It's a very pretty kind of rose neutral. I love this lipstick formula. It is so comfortable to wear. The winner is going to get this Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Nail Lacquer, and it is in the color Shocking, which happens to be a super, super hot pink color for Marc Jacobs. The next thing you guys are going to get is some Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. I did get this in Ipsy. I got 2 of them and I tried it myself and I loved it, so I thought I would throw one in for you guys to try out. The next thing the winner is going to get this KNC All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I also got this in one of my subscription boxes. It came from BoxyCharm. These lip masks are natural. They have no sulfates, no artificial dyes, no animal testing. They are supposed to plump and smooth your lips, so you can try one of those out. I do have a review up on my BoxyCharm product review on it. If you guys want to check out that video, you're more than welcome to. I liked them, but did not like that they didn't stick to my face. They do kind of do what they propose that they're doing. The next thing you're going to get is this this magnetic pad and pen set, which I thought was super cute and very fitting. It says "Hello Gorgeous," and the pen is shaped like lipstick, which I thought was really cute. The packaging kind of broke out of there, so I'm trying to make sure that the pen stays in there. But it's a list pad and a lipstick pen. The next thing you guys are going to get are some deluxe sample sizes of some stuff. I have this Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Full Strength for your face. Some skincare in here. I also have this Way Hair Care Treatment Mask, and this did come in an Ipsy. I just won't use it. I've heard that hair masks are really freaking amazing though. The next thing I have is this Origins Modern Friction Nature's Gentle Dermabrasion for you. Just a nice little deluxe sample size. The next thing I have is a sample of Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, which is actually a perfume that I think is fabulous. I love this perfume, so I thought I'd send you all a little sample. I have a sample of some Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and there are 4 different colors in there, so it doesn't matter what shade your hair is. One of these should suit you. And the next thing I have is a dual-ended eyeliner pencil. One end is black and one end is purple, and this is from Ulta Beauty. And the next thing I have is a deluxe sample size of the Urban Decay 24-hour Glide On Eye Pencil. I had a duplicate of this in my collection, so I thought I would send one your guys' way, and it is just in the color Perversion, which is black. And the last thing I have for you guys is the most exciting in my mind, but it is a Cargo Wanderlust eyeshadow palette. And look, the packaging looks like this. The back looks like this. It does have the shadows in there in 4 different quadrants or 6 different duos, depending on how you want to do your eyes. And there's some little tutorial-esque things over there. I love this palette because it does have all your neutrals in there, but it also has some pops of colors with the blue and the green, and I think it would be perfect for anybody who wants it. I have never tried this eyeshadow palette, and I thought about going back and purchasing myself one, and when I went back there was no more left. So I hope that you guys enjoy this palette. You'll have to let me know if you're the winner how it turns out for you. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to receive these things. I hope that you'll want to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to be entered into this giveaway, and please share it with your friends so that they can also come subscribe to the channel and enter into the giveaway. It's open to, like I said, everybody 18 years or older in the United States, or with parent permission if they're younger than 18 years old, and the only requirements is you go through the Gleam app and that you're a subscriber to my channel, and that you're leaving a message down in the comments section telling me what you're excited most to win and an alternate form of communication so that I can get a hold of you when you win. This giveaway starts today, and I'm keeping it open for a month, so the last day to enter will be March 5th. I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am, and much love to you guys. Thank you so much for getting my channel where it is today, and I hope to hear from you in the future. And fingers crossed for you being my 100 subscriber giveaway winner. Thank you so much again, guys, and until next time, bye-bye.